how to update AirPods or AirPods Pro Firmware. So let's get started. Firstly, all you have to do is go to the Settings app on your mobile device. Inside Settings, simply tap on the Bluetooth. Once inside the Bluetooth, look under My Devices for the name of your earbuds and tap in the blue eye icon, and it is an eye with a circle around it next to the name. On the resulting page, look for the version. Again, the latest version for most earbuds is 7B20 or 6F21, while the newer earbuds Pro are 7B19. You also can check the Apple list of current firmware versions. So, if your earbuds firmware is not current, you can speed up the update process. Sort of, unfortunately, you can push a button or toggle a settings to tell your earbuds to update. The best you can do is put your earbuds in the case and plug the case into a power cable. Same thing for earbud max. Just plug the headphones into a charging cable, or if you have a wireless charging case, put your earbuds on a wireless charger. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.